Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in with another job lead. Hey, TTEC is hiring, guys. I will put the link in the description of this video so that way you can come over here and take a look at all of the open opportunities that TTEC has available. They have jobs worldwide. I just picked this customer service representative remote job that's located in New York, but it's a remote opportunity. That way you can come over here, guys, and apply for this job. It says TTEC has been around for 40 years, 40 years of smiles. Bringing smiles is what we do at TTEC for you and the customer. As a customer service representative working remotely in New York, you will be a part of creating and delivering amazing customer experience while you also experience TTEC, an award-winning employment experience and company culture. What you'll be doing, do you have a passion for helping others and giving them a peace of mind? Whether it's getting answers for customers quickly or consulting on products with compassion or resolving their issues with a smile, you'll be the difference between their customer experience being just average or an exceptional one. So, guys, you need to have at least 1 year of customer service experience, high school diploma or the equivalent. Recognize and apply and explain your product or service knowledge. Your typical day will be like answering phones, incoming calls from customers, conduct research to provide answers for customers to resolve their issues, high-speed internet connection at home, a computer experience, and what to expect. This job is paying $18.92 an hour plus performance bonus, so you average around $19 an hour with this job. And they have healthy benefits package based on the position that you could include PTO, tuition reimbursement, and health and wellness incentives. And you can click on this link, guys, to learn more about all of the benefits and to learn more about the role. But there are other opportunities here at TTEC. You can just click on here and just take a look at all of the open jobs at TTEC. You can click on this here to explore all of the open jobs, and you'll be able to search all of the jobs. They have 481 job listings. So there's 481 jobs here, guys. And I just want to say super congrats to everyone who gets one of these amazing roles. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. If you know someone that is currently looking for a job, please share this job lead with them or any of the previous jobs that I've shared with you guys. I thank you so much, guys, for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I appreciate you so much. You are amazing. Thank you so much for all you do. Love you lots, my friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.